Hey boy, you will learn in this video something very powerful to make a woman think about you constantly. She will be addicted to you. Warning! I'm going to give you 5 rules. If you follow them, any woman will become obsessed with you. Use these rules with good intentions and don't use them for bad. The key to starting chemistry is through an emotional connection. But don't get too emotional and reveal your deepest desires too soon. Instead, show her that you're the guy she wants by making the time you spend together fun, light, and memorable. Now let's focus on how to keep her thinking about you. Number 1, don't be predictable. Show her that she still needs to attract you and put in some effort. Don't text her good morning and good night every day. Don't respond too quickly to her messages. Make her wait and get excited to see your name on her phone. Number 2, become mysterious. If you don't know how to be mysterious, a video will be released on this subject. Don't post every detail of your life on social media. Let her wonder what you're doing. Disappear temporarily, but not for too long. When you re-engage in conversation, she'll wonder what you're up to. Number 3, follow rule 2, but don't disappear for too long. Pop in and out on your terms. Keep this up for about 3 days. When you start engaging with her again, she'll wonder what you're really doing. Be less predictable during this time to enhance her attraction towards you. Number 4, don't be too nice. Women don't like men who are too nice. It's stupid, but that's the way it is. Know when to be with her. Be nice to her once in a while and when she deserves it. On the other hand, don't be afraid to tell her when she does something stupid that annoys you. You're the man, and it's up to you to straighten things out when you need to. Number 5 involves making plans after a busy period. Let me explain. For this to work, it's important to maintain some level of communication, but to be less attentive during the 3 or 4 days following a busy period. This means not responding to her messages frequently and not always being available to her. The rule is to make plans once you've become less busy, and when you start chatting with her again, let her know that work has been keeping you occupied. Focus on discussing her interests and activities, rather than always talking about yourself. Leave some mystery by not fully answering her questions, and eventually schedule something with her, but not immediately. This time apart is crucial for building attraction, and you want her to be excited to see you again. Offer to make plans for a specific day, but keep your messages simple and to the point. If she's not reciprocating your efforts, she may not be interested. If you're struggling with this phase, watch the next video that teaches you how to make any girl chase after you. Don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time.